हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई नो मैंने कुछ टाइम से वीडियोस पोस्ट नहीं की हैं बिकॉज दिस मार्च मंथ इज़ heavy and I was not feeling energetically aligned that I really, because one thing I realized that I was sharing from the place of my masculine mind. And how did I realize that? Because I created this uh, structure in my mind that कि मैं वेंसडे को पोस्ट करूँगी और मैं संडे को पोस्ट करूँगी। तो नो मैटर मुझे कोई आइडिया आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है, आई वुड रिग्रेसिवली रिसर्च एंड ट्राई टू know about new things and then post. And then in March, what I realized is that this is no more aligned with who I am becoming. I do not want to post from the place of no, I have to post something, I have to tell people something, I have to let them know about something. जैसे मुझे कुछ realize हो रहा है मैं उनको बता देती हूँ जल्दी से. So what I started to realize that I do not have energy for this. एंड मुझे बहुत ही ये अनरियल सा फील होने लग गया कि यार मुझे नहीं बताना, मुझे नहीं शेयर करना. मैं ऐसे प्लेस से क्यों शेयर करूं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा फील नहीं हो रहा कि मुझे वो शेयर करना चाहिए. एंड मैं अपने ऊपर ये बर्डन क्यों दे रही हूँ कि मुझे वेंसडे और संडे को पोस्ट करना ही है. और अगर इन दोनों दिन के बीच में कुछ भी हुआ या फिर कुछ भी ऊपर नीचे हुआ, कोई आइडिया नहीं आया, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, तो मैं अपने आप को क्रिटिसाइज़ करने लगती थी कि मेरी गलती है, मैं प्रोडक्टिव नहीं हूँ, मैं गलत कर रही हूँ, मैं लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल नहीं होंगी, मैं ये 2 दिन पोस्ट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ बिकॉज आई वॉज फॉलोइंग द मैस्कुलिन स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, कि ये टाइम इतने ही टाइम में होना चाहिए, ये चीज़ इतने ही टाइम पीरियड में होनी चाहिए, ये चीज़ ऐसे ही होनी चाहिए, ये चीज़ वैसे ही होनी चाहिए. इट मे वर्क फॉर मैन, फॉर मेल्स. Okay, it may work for them. And I think it will work for them, but as a woman what I have realized that we our body is aligned with moon and we are not 100% recharged every day. We cannot work like that. And if we are not able to work like that, rather than being hard on ourselves because of the societal conditioning which is all masculine based, कि हसल 24 आवर में ये कर लेना चाहिए, रोज ये होना चाहिए, ये प्रोडक्टिविटी होनी चाहिए, अपने फीलिंग्स के ऊपर फोकस मत करो, कुछ भी फील हो रहा है उसको वर्क करके सप्रेस कर दो. और अगर आप अपने फीलिंग्स पे फोकस कर रहे हो तो यू आर अ वीक वुमेन, यू आर एंड सेंसिटिव वुमेन, यू आर एन इमोशनल वुमेन. एंड और ये सारी वुमेन्स क्या होती हैं, वीक होती हैं. ठीक है, तो आई स्टार्टेड टू फील दैट there was a huge conflict, okay, because I had fever also and I wanted to create also and I was feeling like यार मुझे create करना है, मुझे fever भी है, मैं rest कर रही हूँ, मुझे बहुत ही shameful feel हो रहा है, मुझे बहुत ही ashamed feel हो रहा है कि यार मैं कुछ गलत कर रही हूँ, मुझे ना पोस्ट करना चाहिए, मैं कुछ गलत कर रही हूँ, कि मेरी लाइफ से कुछ जा रहा है, कि मेरे हाथ से ना कुछ छूट रहा है, कि मैं लाइफ में ना बहुत पीछे रह गई, मैं आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रही हूँ. शायद मुझे फीवर हो रहा है फिर भी उसके बाद ड्रेसअप करके मुझे शूट करना चाहिए, अदरवाइज आई एम अ फेलियर, आई एम फेलिंग इन लाइफ, आई एम नॉट बीइंग प्रोडक्टिव, हु एम आई. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, ये जितना बोलने में ईजी लग रहा है ना, जब आप इसको एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, इस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, ये बहुत ही इंटेंस फील होता है. क्योंकि एक बिकॉज देयर इज दिस बॉडी, देयर इज योर बॉडी, माई बॉडी वॉज इन एक्सट्रीम पेन एंड आपकी बॉडी एक्सट्रीम पेन में है, आपको फीवर है, एंड देन देयर इज दिस साइड ऑफ यू, ओके, विच इज masculine, wounded masculine side, okay, hyperactive side, overachiever side. कि मुझको करना चाहिए, मुझे प्रोडक्टिव होना चाहिए, मैं ये क्या कर रही हूँ, मैं रेस्ट क्यों कर रही हूँ, मैं ये लेटी क्यों हूँ, अगर मैं नहीं करूँगी तो और कौन करेगा, मेरी लाइफ में सक्सेस कैसे आएगा, मैं लाइफ में आगे कैसे बढ़ूँगी, मैं लोगों को मोटिवेट कैसे करूँगी, मुझे अभी नहा के ड्रेसअप करके फीवर में भी मुझे शूट करना चाहिए, मुझे ये करना चाहिए, मुझे संडे को पोस्ट करना ही करना है, भले कुछ भी हो जाए। अगर ट्रस्ट मी, मैं उस फीवर वाले उस फीवर से, जब मुझे वो फीवर है, मैं वहाँ से अगर उस स्टेट से मैं पोस्ट करती, कुछ भी पोस्ट करती, क्या वो अलाइंड होता? क्या मैं किसी को कुछ सिखाने के लिए पोस्ट कर रही हूँ? भले ही सुपरफिशियल लेवल पे लगे कि ओ माई गॉड दिस गर्ल इज सो मोटिवेटेड, ओके, एंड सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड एंड सो प्रोडक्टिव, ओके, सो एक्टिव एंड कितनी फुर्ती है इसमें। लेकिन अगर आप इसको डीपर ट्रुथ से देखें तो आपको रियलाइज़ होगा कि इट इज़ डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम फियर, it is coming from fear, it is not coming from the place of self love or you know that the positive side, it is not coming from the place of any positive side, it is coming from the place of lack. And how it is coming from the place of lack and fear, ki also it is coming from the place of control, that if I don't control this, if I don't control the outcome, if I don't control this situation, if I don't control my video, if I don't control the number of posts, if I don't control my YouTube, then I am going to be failed. There is no support, there is no one supporting me, there is no backbone, I am alone, I am lonely, I have to survive, I have to do this, I have to make the video, I have to keep going, I cannot relax, I cannot give time to myself, I cannot just rest, I cannot listen to my body, I cannot be calm, I cannot sleep. Who am I that I am sleeping? Who am I that I am resting? Why am I not doing something for my life? Why am I not hustling? Why am I not over sacrificing? Why am I not overdoing? Why am I not being overly productive? See, is it coming from the place of love? I don't think so. And trust me, for 1 year, when I was creating the video, although those informations and content is right, the lessons I shared with you, the journey I shared with you, everything was right and is right. But what I realize right now, that I was forcing myself to just create. Okay, Priyanka, create. Priyanka said, don't give yourself time. You have to do this. You have to do this. You have to do this. Even if it looks like that, oh my God, this girl is so active, so productive. I'm so inspired by her. But no, it is coming from the place of wounding. It is coming from the place of control. It is coming from the place of not trusting life. It is coming from the place of fear. It is coming from the place of that I'm alone. There is no support. I cannot relax. I cannot just be. I cannot just flow. Because today, when I am creating this video, I'll be honest that I'm not feeling 100% motivated or good or amazing. But I am feeling 50% good today. And I was like, because I used to post on Wednesday and Sundays. Today is, I think, Wednesday only. So this will go out on Thursday or Friday. So I told myself that I don't have to stick to the time. I don't have to give myself the time. That Priyanka, you have to create video on Monday, then edit, then post on Wednesday, then you have to create video on Thursday or Friday and then post on Sunday. No, I don't have to work like that. I don't have to work like the masculine structure. I can flow. Whenever something is coming, whenever I'm feeling intuitive, which I mostly feel after the sun sets, ओके, जब सनराइज होता है आफ्टरनून में 3, 3:30, 4 बजे तक मुझे उतना मोटिवेटेड फील नहीं होता. एंड आफ्टर 3:30 और 4 आई स्टार्ट टू फील मोटिवेटेड कि नो, या नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू डू समथिंग, नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट. इवन एट नाइट्स आई एम लाइक 3 o'clock और 3:30 मेरी हमेशा नींद खुलती है. एंड आई एम लाइक, यू नो, I can create at that time also. I don't have to be so rigid about it that I have to post 2 videos, I have to create something, I have to share something, it has to come. If it is not coming, I'm a failure. It is coming from your wounded masculine. It is your wounded masculine. And how it is your wounded masculine? 1 minute. How it is your wounded masculine? How will you know that it is coming from your wounded masculine? Maybe initially you will not feel, but after a while, because it's been 1 year since I am posting videos on my YouTube. So how I knew? Because I was forcing. Now it did not feel like flowing. It was feeling like a chore, like I'm doing something, like, you know, I'm forcing myself to do this. It was not feeling like, okay, I'm sitting, I'm sharing, I'm talking, I'm having fun, okay, I'm just sharing something I'm good about, I know about. And whether it works or does not work doesn't matter. It was coming from a wounded masculine because I was forcing it. Ki I have to sit, I have to create, I have to edit, I have to share. Now I will check how many people are liking, how many people are sharing, how many people are watching. If they are not watching, I'm a failure. I'm a failure. I'm not doing well. There is something wrong with me. I'm not posting on time. I'm not sharing the right content. I should, you know, learn more. I should gather more informations. And I started to feel like, you know, tired, exhausted. I started to feel ki, you know, I started to see it as a job. Ki, okay, I'm waking up, that there is this 2 days in the week where I have to create videos, edit and post, and just sit and create videos. After a while, when my videos were not working, are not working, in my mind I'm like, okay, अभी उठना है, खाना खाना है, अच्छा ये 2 दिन मुझे ये भी करना है. तो it was like that, like a task कि अच्छा मुझे अब ये भी करना है. और अगर मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ तो आई एम लाइक, ओ माई गॉड, आई डिड नॉट डू दिस टास्क. हु एम आई? मैंने वो टास्क नहीं किया. सेल्फ लोदिंग, सेल्फ पनिशमेंट, यू नो, सेल्फ क्रिटिसिज्म. उसके बाद देन व्हाट यूनिवर्स डिड, यूनिवर्स वाज लाइक कि अभी मैं तुम्हें बीमार कर देता हूँ, ठीक है, उसके बाद तुम बनाओ वीडियोस. देन जब मैं बीमार हूँ तब भी मैं सोच रही हूँ कि यार मुझे वीडियोस बनानी चाहिए. हु एम आई? वाई एम आई नॉट क्रिएटिंग द वीडियोस? आई एम फेलिंग इन लाइफ. व्हाट एम आई डूइंग? आई शुड क्रिएट वीडियोस. Okay, I should share something, I should just complete this task, because in my mind, for my masculine mind, wounded masculine mind, this was another task which I had to do, and if I'm not doing, I'm failing. But my feminine side, my feminine brain, she was like, I don't feel like creating, I want to rest, I want to listen to my emotions, I don't want to feel ashamed of choosing myself, I don't want to feel ashamed of taking time for myself. I don't want to feel ashamed of resting, for giving time to myself, to nurture myself, to listen to my feelings and emotions that I'm going through. The pain that I'm feeling, I want to give time to that. I want to rest, and I do not want those people in my life who are just liking me for my productivity. When I'm resting, they are shaming me because my own masculine was shaming my feminine. Now you know how? Because I shared just few minutes ago कि when I'm resting, my masculine is telling me why you are resting, you are not being productive, do not listen to your emotions, suppress it. You are just making excuses, you are not exhausted, you are not tired, just complete the task, stand up, dress up, take a bath, create videos, say anything, just get over with it. So my own masculine is like that, wounded. My own masculine is not giving space to my feminine. My own masculine is like, I don't want to listen to your, emotions, feelings, and whatever you are going through. I just want to get done with my work. I just want to get done with my tasks. I just want to get done with whatever it is. Okay, I don't want to give time to you, I don't want to listen to you, I don't want to waste time in that, because if I will just relax and listen to you, then I'm just wasting my time. And there was this big conflict, huge conflict, and I was just, and somehow I texted my friend, and I told her that I'm feeling all these things, I don't know what to do, and I'm just feeling all these things. I know I create all these videos and motivate people, but right now I'm in this dilemma, I'm not motivated, I'm not feeling anything. Then she told me that it is okay to feel like that, give yourself some time, do not force yourself, do not push yourself, do not be hard on yourself. Then my mind was like, okay, now I have the confirmation of this person also, now maybe I can rest. And trust me, when I allowed myself to rest, there is this shift which came in me, in my own masculine and feminine. Somewhere my masculine is now allowing my feminine to feel, to give time to herself, to not just fix her. Because earlier what used to happen कि अगर मुझे किसी ने hurt किया है, मुझे किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया, तो rather than sitting with the feeling and emotion, मैं तुरंत ये मुझे क्या लेसन सिखा रही है या फिर सिखा रहा है, इस पे जंप करती थी कि मुझे अभी ये सीखना है, कि मैं उस बीच के प्रोसेस में तो खुद को टाइम दे ही नहीं रही हूँ, बिकॉज माई मैस्कुलिन वॉज लाइक, do not waste your time in feeling. Okay, you are foolish if you will give yourself time to feel. Do not feel it. Okay, just learn what this person is teaching you, that's it. And meanwhile, even if I intellectually understood the lesson, but my body remembered the pain, but my body still keeping the score, and time to time I used to feel triggered. Okay, and not by the same person, but someone else will do the similar thing to me and I will feel triggered. Then I'm like, okay, and then all those people will start to come who did the similar thing to me, because I was not giving myself time to process the pain, to process the grief, to process whatever I was feeling. I was not allowing myself to feel. I was just telling कि okay, वर्कआउट कर लेते हैं, अच्छा ये अच्छा खाना खा लेते हैं, अच्छा ये कुछ शॉपिंग कर लेते हैं, अच्छा ये कुछ वहाँ पे वॉक पे चलते हैं, अच्छा अब इसके बारे में सीखते हैं, लेसन सीखते हैं, एआई से पूछूंगी इसका मतलब क्या है, क्या लेसन हो सकता है, यूट्यूब पे देखते हैं, पॉडकास्ट देखते हैं, ये देखते हैं, वो देखते हैं. And even though I'm doing all the right things, but it is coming from the place of self-hatred. Ki I will not allow myself to feel. Feeling is waste of time. So what you are telling your feminine, that you are stupid, I will not listen to you, I don't have time for you, I don't have time for your feelings and emotions, I am not gonna give time to you. If you will sit and feel about something, and if you will sit and cry about something, then you are stupid, you are not progressing in life. If you want to progress in life, you have to go on mute. Let me lead life, let me let me guide you, let me lead you, but I will only lead you when you will be on mute. I hope that you are understanding. And that's why I was also attracting the similar type of masculines in my life. Man who would not listen to me. Okay, they will not value my feelings, my emotions. If I am sharing any hurt or anything with them, they will not listen to it, they will not make any change. They will tell me about lessons that I need to learn. They will demean my feelings and emotions. They would call me sensitive. They will only appreciate my hyper independence. Okay, she's very productive, very active, very strong. But because I was doing that to my own feminine, to my own self, I was not allowing her to be imperfect, to rest. I know when I say this in video na, it sounds very easy कि ओके रेस्ट ही तो करना है, क्या हो जाएगा. बट इस बार मैंने पूरे 10 दिन रेस्ट किए हैं. इस बार मैंने पूरे 10 दिन रेस्ट किए हैं. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, व्हेन आई वाज रेस्टिंग ना, माई बॉडी एंड माई माइंड, ओ माई गॉड, ये जितनी भी कॉन्वर्सेशन मैं आपको बता रही हूँ ना, वो सब मेरे माइंड में हो रही थी, वो सब मेरे माइंड में चल रही थी. एंड बिकॉज आई कैन लिसन टू माई ओन थाट्स and I can talk to my own thoughts. So I feel that it is something that hidden talent I have. This is called something in science. I forgot, like people who can talk to their own thoughts, their own reactions. Okay, so I am talking to my own thoughts, my own reactions, my own actions. And this time, one thing I allowed कि I will feel shame, and in my body, oh my god, my body was breaking down. कि जैसे कितना एग्जॉशन है और मेरा बेड से उठने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा है, कि मुझे बस यहाँ से उठना नहीं है. माई बॉडी एंड मसल्स, एवरीथिंग वॉज ब्रेकिंग डाउन कि आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू वेक अप फ्रॉम हियर. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू लाई डाउन. आई एम सो एग्जॉस्टेड, आई एम सो डन. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू लिव माई लाइफ विद like this. I don't want to live my life with this wounded masculine. I don't want this wounded masculine to lead my life. I know you helped me, you supported me, you were needed. There was a time you helped me, but now you are not helping me. You are not helping me to succeed in life. Okay? And one thing also happened कि every time I used to rest in my house, maybe that's why you are not able to rest and give yourself time to rest and allow yourself to rest. Ki anytime when I used to rest in my life, I was always watched, I was always criticized, I was always told that maybe I'm कि मैं कामचोर हूँ. Maybe your parents told you or anyone told you that you are कामचोर, you don't want to do anything, you don't want to help. Also, I always felt that I always have to be vigilant कि कोई आ तो नहीं गया, कि मेरे पेरेंट्स आ तो नहीं गए, मेनली मेरे फादर आ तो नहीं गए, काम से आ तो नहीं गए. Okay, I'm resting. If he will see me resting, he's gonna fight with my mother, or he's gonna scold me, he's gonna get angry. Okay, and he's gonna be upset, and there will be a tension in the house. And if I'm not active, he's not happy with me, he's not gonna like me, he's not gonna praise me, he's not gonna appreciate me. If he's not seeing me doing things, then he's gonna get triggered, he will be angry at me, he'll not be happy. I will always have to be active in front of him. I cannot just sit and watch TV, relax and laugh. I cannot eat sabse pehle. Okay, I cannot ask for food sabse pehle. I cannot just give myself time to relax and just give time to myself to relax. Even when I was sick, I was scolded to relax. Why you are sick, you did this, you did that, you did not listen to me, and that's why you fell sick. Now all these things are happening. So even when I was sick, whenever I used to get sick, there used to be a huge fight कि ओके विद माई मदर कि you did not take care of them, you did not listen to them, you did not control them. So even when I have fever and I'm resting and I'm a child, I used to feel extreme shame and guilt and fear in my body. Ki, oh my god, I'm doing a wrong thing. I'm a bad child. Why am I resting? This is causing problem to them, to him. I'm wrong. I should not rest. Also in my mind, there was always this feeling of threat. Ki in night also, in morning also, even if I'm sleeping, my mind was always vigilant कि कोई आ तो नहीं रहा है, कोई देख तो नहीं रहा है, कोई कुछ कर तो नहीं रहा है. So my mind was always active. I was disconnected from my body. Because if I am in my body, I am not overthinking कि कौन क्या सोच रहा है, कौन क्या नहीं सोच रहा है, किसको क्या ट्रिगर हो रहा है, किसको क्या बुरा लग रहा है, किसको क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, कि वो कि मेरे रेस्ट करने से मुझे थ्रेट है कि नहीं है. If I'm connected with my body, I will not overthink because my nervous system feels safe to rest. And if my nervous system feels safe to rest, then my mind is not gonna be hyperactive, overactive, criticize me. Okay? If your body is not feeling safe enough to rest, it means you are disconnected from your body. That's why you are overthinking. If you are in your head all the time, and how you will know that you are in your head? You are hyper vigilant, overactive, overthinking, always looking here and there, always trying to protect yourself from the threat, which I used to do when I was a child. So as a girl, as a feminine, for your feminine, as a woman, this is an ultimate erasure of a feminine. When feminine is not held, when feminine never felt safe to rest, to listen to her body, to listen to her own rhythm, to listen to her own intuition, to listen to her own emotions, to give time to her own feelings, to tell about her own feelings and problems and emotions. When all these things were, when you always felt that there will be a threat to all these things, if you showed all these things, you started to suppress all these things. You started to guard yourself. And that guarding is wounded masculine, that protector, which is protecting you. And you might be protecting yourself from so many things. I just told you about one thing which I realized. And I started to recall all the moments and memories of my childhood in my school, in my home, and everywhere where my body always felt that I'm not safe. So my body told me that I never felt safe in 29 years. What do you want? Do you think that I'm going to feel safe in 10 days? Because trust me, I'm lying down on my bed and मेरी roommate यहाँ पे है and I'm feeling extreme shame, extreme guilt. I'm feeling bad. I'm just talking badly to myself. My mind is like, she's judging you. She's thinking wrong about you. She thinks you are just sleeping. You are doing nothing in your life. You are waking up, training your clients, having your meal and just going to bed again. She's judging you. What these people thinking about you in PG. जब मैं नीचे जा रही हूँ स्टेयर से, उन्हें कोई मतलब नहीं है, बट मेरा माइंड ये सोच रहा है कि ओ माय गॉड, यहाँ के सारे स्टाफ ये सोच रहे हैं कि पूरे दिन पीजी में रहती है, इसके पास पैसे कहाँ से आते हैं, ये अपने आप को मैनेज कैसे कर रही है, ये कैसे यहाँ पे रह रही है. They are judging me, they are looking down on me, they are thinking I'm just like that, and कि I'm taking too much space, कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सोती हूँ, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा रेस्ट करती हूँ. एंड और अगर यहाँ पे मेड भी आ रही है क्लीन करने के लिए, तब भी मैं सेम चीज़ सोच रही हूँ अर्लियर व्हाट आई यूज टू डू कि मैं उठ के बैठ जाती थी, मैं कुछ करने लगती थी कि यार वो मेरे बारे में गलत ना सोचे कि मैं रेस्ट कर रही हूँ, वो मेरे बारे में कुछ गलत ना सोच ले कि मैं रेस्ट कर रही हूँ. So I'm telling you all these things to tell you that that's how much I was disconnected from my body. I'm not saying that I'm totally connected back to my body, but I realized that this is how much I was disconnected from my body. And this time, what I've started to do, that even if I go home, even if my roommate is there, even if the maid is coming to clean, even if I'm going downstairs, I get into my body and I feel my body, and I literally feel all the shakiness, all the shame, all the guilt, and I feel the shakiness in my bone, in my energy body. कि okay, I'm shaking, I'm overthinking, I'm, I'm being hyper vigilant. So I allow myself to just lie down on my bed. Whether it is my roommate or the maid, or I'm going back to my home, or I'm going anywhere like downstairs, I allow myself to just rest. I allow myself to be. Ki I will just rest. This is a fear which my nervous system is trying to tell me that there is a danger, you cannot rest, you cannot lie down, be productive, do something, move your body, do not rest, do not give yourself time. I in that time I tell my mind that protector, that you protected me by being productive and overactive all the time, but I'm not that child anymore. You don't have to protect me like that. I don't have to be overactive. And it's okay if you're feeling scared. I'm not gonna get up. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna be overactive. I'm safe. Okay, even if they are judging me, even if they are thinking anything about me, I am safe. I'm allowed to feel the shame, the guilt, the shakiness, and everything, but I am safe. So, yeah, this is the small practice you can do, which I am doing, okay, to come out of the shame and guilt of resting. You will not come out in the day one. It will take maybe 1 month, 2 months, years and years of practice. But eventually, your body will start to feel safe to rest. And due to this, I was also attracting women in my life who were overprotective, hyperactive, and who would shame me for resting, for being sensitive, for being emotional, because it was my own, it was their masculine, wounded masculine, and it was my wounded masculine. They were vibrational match. Okay, so now that yeah, I've shared, I think, everything with you all, which I realized, and I realized that I was creating videos from the place of fear and lack, not from the place of, I really want to do it, this is my purpose, this is what I feel excited about, this is blah blah blah. But when I sat with myself, when I gave myself this time, when I just rested for 10-15 days, I realized that no, I don't want anything in my life which I'm doing by force, for which I have to feel, oh my god, आज फिर से करना पड़ेगा, आज मुझे फिर से बैठना पड़ेगा, आज फिर से मुझे वीडियो बनाना पड़ेगा, आज फिर से मुझे क्लाइंट को ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा, मुझे क्यों करना है? I don't want to feel like this in my life. So I will create video from now on, जब whenever I will feel aligned, whenever any download or anything will come, whenever I will feel like, yeah, today I want to share, today I want to shoot a video, today I want to record a video, today I want to do it, and I will edit it and post it. There is no deadline, there is no timeline, there is no Wednesday and Sundays, nothing like that, because I cannot, my body is giving up. I realized my body told me you cannot work like that with the masculine structure. It is a masculine structure and it is not a healthy masculine structure. ओके, क्रिएटिविटी इज़ नॉट समथिंग कि जस्ट मैं बैठी और बस आना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. इट विल कम वेन एवर it wants to come. Okay. Whenever whenever my body feels relaxed, I'm calm, I'm sitting, I'm just in my body enjoying life, enjoying myself, that time it will come. It will not come when you are sitting in front of the camera and forcing yourself to speak about something. So yeah, this is what I realized. And yeah, I hope that this video helped you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, bye.